All right, so we got my cousin in front of me. I am in Dallas and my cousin's in training right now. He's with my old trainer and I have to deliver at Continental Tire here in Dallas. So I got here a couple real early. I got here at about 3:30 and they're closed from I think 2 to 6. So I was like, well, I'll go to the yard, take me a nap, and then, you know, that's about the time that they're showing up to get ready. So we sat there for a minute. They're going to Grapevine. So I think they're gonna get on 635 North, and I'm gonna stay on 30, unfortunately, all the way. Or yeah, I think I'm gonna stay on 30 all the way through. But I also wanted to ask my trainer about that, about Continental. He's been there before. He's been everywhere. He's like, oh yeah, go down to this road and turn to the left, and says the actual name of the road. I'm like, what? How did you know that? Experience. I know one thing. My cousin needs to go. So yeah. Oh man, it's always interesting to come up here with a loaded. I think we're both loaded, but I know that his load. Well, we're about the same weight, but just getting that speed up that hill. It's always interesting. But yeah, this is cool. Happy for that man getting out here and getting trucking. Let's get on. Alright, we're on 80, but we're gonna stay on 80. So, unlike them, we're going to pass them. One, because I'm staying on 80. I believe. Yeah, I'm staying on 80. And this lane is going 50. Gonna be a lot of brake checks. So I do have my Jake brake on because I know where I'm at, and I know that it's gonna get intense back here. We're gonna give him a little honk of the horn though. Got some speed on him. Oh man. Alright, let's get up here to Continental. Peace. Man, look at this Dallas Skyline. Oh, this is nice. I always like Dallas's Skyline. Man, yeah, this is nice. Put my seat down a little bit. So I raised my seat a little up because I need to see everything. Alright, let me get up to speed. People are probably pissed off at me. Why is this truck going so slow right through here? 1, speed limit is 55. 2, it's tight. And 3, I wanted to make sure I saw the Skyline. And the ball that's up there, I've never known what that ball was called for Dallas. The one, it's got like lights going all different kind of ways and stuff. All right, so we're staying on 30 up here, about a half a mile. I always stay in this lane because you have people on both sides trying to go. They're like merging on both of these right here at this split. And then we're gonna be getting over. Wait, where are we going? No, we're staying here. We're staying on 30, I know that. All right, truck, get in your... Man, it's too early in the morning to be dealing with that. Get in your lane. Wake up, wake up. All right. I don't do much night filming. I can't say the R word, or the camera goes off. But I don't do too much night filming because you don't get to see much. But Dallas is different. So we are just into the Grand Prairie city limit. For a person like me, it's all Dallas to me. Oh, but yeah, Saturday we have a bowling event for all the Dallas drivers and I guess the Houston ones too. And I saw that they're actually like gonna get those guys hotels if they need them, if they want to come up. And it's gonna be on Saturday like 11 to 2. So I'm definitely going to that. My cousin's going. My trainer say he'll probably be there. Another guy that I know who one of the days, full transparency, I was late getting to work, and so I linked up with another trainer and went out with him for the day. And you know, I always look at the positive in everything because I actually made a friend. Yeah, he's a really cool guy. Watches the channel, and I learned things from him that were different from my trainer. So you know, it's like cool. I get additional experience from someone else. So yeah, we had a good day out there. And I saw him this morning as well too. I pretty much see him every time I come to the yard too. He was out there checking trailers, and I didn't park my truck line up with all the other trailers. I parked off to the side so that way I can just wait, see my cousin and them, and then shoot out to the gate. I didn't park. And so he's going around checking trailers, and I called my cousin. I was like, hey, you here at the yard? And he was like, yeah. He was like, is that you behind the truck? I was like, wait, somebody's behind my truck? So I looked out the thing, I see Ronnie out there with his flashlight. he goes up to the window, he's like, license and registration, please. Because he actually used to be a Dallas police officer. I was like, yeah. That was pretty cool. Multiple people are over here. All right, now we ain't playing these games. You play chicken with the police if you want to. There's an accident up there. All right, so we need to get off on the. Oh well, they're opening up the lane. Gentlemen. Oh, was it a fire? A car fire? Oh yeah. Oh wow. A minivan caught on fire. Yeesh. No bueno. We can make it over into our exit. Alright, so we're gonna go down to the light, make a left, go over the light to the next turn, and make a left. I said I haven't been here, but I think I actually know where I think I've been here before. Maybe I didn't go with... I've delivered to something down here before. Because I know there's like a railroad track or something. Someplace that we go is down here. I want to say that, yeah, okay. Now I'm gonna make this left. Well, last time the nice lady came out. All right, let's go check in. So here's the plan. I'm gonna get back to the yard. I'm gonna drop this trailer and then we're gonna look for a truck wash. It is time to give Tron some TLC. Tron has been a good truck to us, even though this is 2.0. We never got to watch the original Tron. Well, it's kind of like, sounds like the movie. Never got to watch the original. I did. But we are gonna wash this truck because I have a lot of time and I want my truck to be sitting on the yard while all the drivers rolling through to come to the driver appreciation bowling night, the Bowlerama they call it. I want my truck to be like, ooh, who's driving that? Yeah, that's me. Yeah, that's me right there. That's Tron. And maybe, hopefully today, I will get to Walmart or something and I will buy the bow for the front of the truck. I want a nice bow on the front of the truck. With the sun, the blue, okay, so the yellow colors from the sun rising, and then the blue from the, I think they're doing Rangers. I said, oh, that says, let's go Rangers. All right, so that hotel says, let's go Rangers on the side. That's what's lighting up to the right of the ball. Oh man, this is nice. I don't know, I think I take it back. I think I would like to live in a city. Maybe the suburbs of a city. Dallas has definitely grown on me though. I need to be in the 2 left lanes. Let me over. I'm all rude with it. Like, yeah, I forgot last minute. Okay, all right, here we go, So hopefully we got a good view of it because we're gonna be coming up to a stop. Wow. I don't know that, is it the Radisson? Or a Hilton, Omni. It might be Omni. Whatever it is, that hotel, man, another reason why I like Texas is Texas pride. Texas is its own country and people are so proud to, you see Texas, it doesn't matter if it's the Texans, the Rangers, the Cowboys, whatever, they got that star everywhere and I loved it. Wow, okay, so where the ball is, I'm gonna put a picture of that my trainer when he made my car on, or made my truck on, we were down in there in that parking lot under the ball and he took a picture, but it was on the game American Truck Simulator. I don't know if you guys didn't notice I got an 8-ball. I don't necessarily like the position of it, but it's there. It does help with the turning a little too much sometimes. It's not with the one I wanted. I just got it from a truck stop. The one I have doesn't fit around the steering wheel anywhere. And there's no way to adjust it, so I just picked up one of these and it's definitely made my ability to turn a lot easier because you can just use that motion of going around the steering wheel versus, you know, trying to act. This is a heavy, hard steering wheel compared to the other trucks I've driven. It's not worn in yet because it's brand new. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't know if I like the position of it. I've cut myself twice by going around it because I like my hand in my lap and it went around and I scratched my hand. So I might end up putting it up here. I think that's a better position. This is just a thick steering wheel. Definitely helps me make the turns. Make sure nobody's getting cut off. There we go, we made it just fine. Stayed in our lane. Alright people, I gotta get over. Alright, there goes a J-Rail driver. See if they wave. No. No. Probably didn't see it, not paying attention. There goes another J-Rail. He waved. There's gonna be a lot of drivers here. It's gonna be awesome. All right. Let's get wound up. Come on, cars. Come on. There we go. Y'all better not jump me either. That was a G-Wagon. I love those. We are home. We came all the way from Whiteland to Mount Vernon to Dallas. Who is at the gate? If you're at the gate, I hope you can open the gate. Why would you be sitting at... Oh. Maybe that's... Oh, is that my GM? That's Paul. Oh, that's Paul. Paul is so cool. Alright. So yeah, I think this is gonna be easy. We're gonna park, hopefully. Let me get out of the way. Somebody's trying to get in the gate behind me. What is this? Is he dropping that trailer? He is, but why is he leaving such a big space? Is that Roddy? Is that my trainer? One of my trainers? Maybe.